Hello friends, in this session we discuss some MCQs about culture media. Question number 1. Following are the enriched media except A. Chocolate agar, B. Blood agar, C. Loeffler serum slope and D. Mannitol salt agar. The first three are enriched media: chocolate agar, blood agar and Loeffler serum slope. All of them have some nutrient which helps in increasing the growth of the bacteria, while they do not have any inhibitory substances which will stop any bacteria from growing. So these are enriched media. The fourth one is an selective medium, that is mannitol salt agar, which is used for staphylococcus as a selective medium. Question number 2. Media in which blood, serum or egg is added to increase its nutritive value is known as A. Enrichment medium, B. Enriched media, C. Indicator media and D. Selective media. So increasing the nutritive value, that is enriched media. Option is B. Enriched media. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a transport medium? A. Amice medium, B. Buffered glycerol saline, C. Stewart medium and D. Nutrient agar. The first three are transport media used for various bacteria, while the fourth one, that is D, is nutrient agar, which is not a transport media, it is a basal media. Which of the following is for differentiation of lactose fermenter and non-fermenter? A. TCBS medium, B. McConkey agar, C. Wilson and Blair medium and D. GTTA. The correct answer here is B. McConkey agar. McConkey agar differentiates between lactose fermenters and lactose non-fermenters, and when we use neutral red as indicator in McConkey agar, the lactose fermenting bacteria will give pink colonies, as you can see in this figure, and lactose fermenters are E. coli, Klebsiella, and non-lactose fermenters will show pale colonies. So the correct answer here is B. McConkey agar. Question number 5. Concentration of agar-agar used in solid medium is A. 10%, B. 0.5%, C. 2% and D. 5%. The correct answer here is C. 2%. Agar is a solidifying agent and it is used in solid media and semi-solid media as a solidifying agent. Which of the following is a basic constituent of culture media? A. Peptone, B. Meat extract, C. Sodium chloride and D. All of these. So all of these are basic constituents of culture media. Every culture media will have a source of protein, that is peptone and meat extract. It will have salt, that is sodium chloride. It will have water. So these are basic components of any culture media. Which of the following is an indicator for detection of H2S production? A. Lead acetate, B. Ferrous acetate, C. Ferric ammonium citrate and D. All of these. So all of these reagents are used as indicators for detection of H2S production by various bacteria. When a bacteria produces H2S, hydrogen sulfide gas, this hydrogen sulfide gas can be detected by a chemical reaction using some indicators like lead acetate or ferrous acetate. In that reaction, a black color is generated, and this black color in the medium gives an indication that H2S is formed by the bacteria. So detection of H2S is done by formation of black color using various reagents, all of these. 8. Question number 8. Glucose phosphate broth is used in A. VP test, B. MR test, C. Indole test and D. both A and B. The correct answer here is D. both A and B. Glucose phosphate broth is used for MR test as well as VP test. MR is methyl red test and VP is Voges-Prosker test. Question number 9. Which of the following reagents detects acetyl methyl carbinol? A. Kovacs reagent, B. Andrade's reagent, C. Barrett's reagent and D. both A and B. So the correct answer here is C. Barrett's reagent. Barrett's VP reagent detects acetyl methyl carbinol in the VP test. Question number 10. Which of the following is anaerobic medium? A. Cooked meat broth, B. Bile broth, C. Selenite F broth, and D. Alkaline peptone water. So the correct answer here is A. Cooked meat broth. Robertson's cooked meat medium is an anaerobic medium. And there are two common examples of anaerobic medias used in microbiology. One is Robertson's cooked meat medium. The another one is thioglycolate broth. These are two examples of anaerobic medias. This is the answer key. Thank you.